Hello everyone, welcome back to Bunch of Opportunities. Are you a young change maker who wants to take your global perspective to the next level? How about a fully funded scholarship to attend AFS Youth Assembly with AstraZeneca's incredible scholarship program? Okay, if you are passionate about shaping a better world and learning from global leaders, then this opportunity is for you, which is AstraZeneca's Scholarships for AFS Youth Assembly 2025. So stick around to find out everything you need to know about the AstraZeneca scholarships for the AFS Youth Assembly. So let's talk about the Youth Assembly. So the AstraZeneca scholarship are part of the prestigious AFS Youth Assembly, a gathering of young leaders from across the globe, and it's a space where youth come together to discuss critical issues like global health, climate action, and social justice. These scholarships will cover your travel expenses, provide a stipend, and connect with a network of passionate individuals and mentors. And let's talk about a bit about AstraZeneca. So AstraZeneca is helping to improve the health of people, society, and the planet. AstraZeneca is prioritizing areas where collaboration across and beyond the health sector can deliver long-term positive impact. And AstraZeneca is focused on action in support of climate and nature, health equity, and health system resilience. So now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Now you might be wondering, uh, you are eligible or not for the applications. Well, here you will need to know. You must be between 18 and 35 years old, but most delegates are between the ages of 18 and 35. The selection committee will consider applications from those who are older than 35, pending demonstration of appropriate personal impact initiatives and willingness to engage. So if you are older than 35, still you can apply upon some consideration and pending demonstration of your work or your contribution. And you should be passionate about global issues like health, sustainability, and social impact. And the scholarships are open to young people from across the globe, particularly from countries where AstraZeneca operates. And you must demonstrate a commitment to creating positive change and be willing to participate in all aspects of the AFS Youth Assembly. So if all the criteria fits with you, that means you are able to apply for this one. Now let's get to know what are the benefits. So what's in it for you? So let's break it down. You'll have full coverage travel. You will get your travel expenses fully covered, as well as 3 nights accommodation in a hotel in New York City with your breakfast. And as a stipend, you will receive a stipend to support your journey, and you will have a unique chance to mentored by global experts and professionals. And as a networking opportunities, you will connect with like-minded youth and leaders all around the world. And this is more than just an event. It's a gateway to making a real impact and gaining valuable skills. Applying is easy, but let's make sure you are prepared. Here's what you need for the application process. Step 1, visit the official application page. I'll attach in the description. Step 2, you will fill out the application form with your personal details and passion for global change. In step 3, submit any required documents that asking for, such as motivation letter or reference letters if applicable. And step 4, the last, you should double check everything for accuracy and hit the submit button for the submission. Once you are all about eligibility criteria and benefits and the application process, let's get to know some important dates. Application deadline will be from is May 1st, 2025, and youth assembly dates will be August 8 to 10, 2025 in New York City. And after through the evaluation of the application process, I come up with some tips for you or to strengthen your application. And be authentic, share your personal journey and what drives you, show your passion, demonstrate your dedication to creating positive change, proofread, check your application thoroughly to avoid any mistakes, seek recommendations. Strong reference letters can make a big difference. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to join a global community of changemakers, apply for the AstraZeneca Scholarships today. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who would benefit from this opportunity. Let's help each other create a brighter, more sustainable future. Good luck and best of luck for the AFS Youth Assembly 2025. Till then, have a good day. Keep planning, keep growing. Thank you.